much to die for? Is it so hard to love me? Now don't cry, I don't want to cry more. All for you are my weakness. You make me feel loveless. You make me feel so alone. I am wide awake, telling you to stop. Feeding my love is I'll hate you for all that you are now. Shameless instead I said those words that meant the world to me did not mean anything to you, as you never listened. And I don't fight, I won't fight anymore. Oh, for you are my worst part that made me want to not start this all over again. I am wide awake, telling you to stop. Feeding my love is I'll hate you for all that you are now. Wide awake, telling you to stop. Feeding my love is I'll hate you for all that you are now. I am wide awake, telling you to stop. Feeding my love is I'll hate you for all that you are now. Wide awake, telling you to stop. Feeding my love is I'll hate you for all that you are now. I see my life passing by. My life is nothing but a running out of a timeline. Hide the joys and poison in the backyard. I hear them calling me, I know they're here and they're calling me. Fire, come and bring me fire. Fire, come and bring me fire. All I need is change to make me feel unchained. It's tearing me apart. Come on, I make you realize that all I need to feel is for this to be unreal. 'Cause everything I want is left to be compromised. Left to be compromised. To be compromised. You slow down the blood flowing through my veins. We forgot the passion that got us here. You need some time, and time is what you need now, but to a certain extent, 'cause you cannot afford more fire. change.